So guys, first come to gigabyte.com, which is officially website. After that you can see here the search icon, so just click it. After that you enter your model number of your motherboard, Z890 AORUS Elite WIFI7 and nice, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Click to here title. Then click to support. Then try OS, select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, because I am using Windows 11. Audio driver, just single click to download. It is installing. It is downloading. Wait few seconds to complete. Then just single click and double click to file. Now this is installing. Then click to yes. Then guys, it is when it is done, automatically close it.